Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on Instagram app Playback. If you're having trouble with Playback on the Instagram app, follow these simple steps to get it up and running smoothly. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, find the Apps section within your settings and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and tap on the Instagram app. This will open up the app's settings page where you can make changes to how it behaves on your device. Look for the Appear on Top option and tap on it. This setting allows the Instagram app to appear on top of other apps when it's running. Once you've found the Appear on Top option, make sure to turn on the Allow permission. This will give Instagram the necessary permissions to display on top of other apps. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on Instagram app Playback and enjoy a seamless experience on the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.